I've got just over a pound of chicken wings here, about 500 grams to be exact. These are whole wings with the drumettes and flats still attached, and I'm going to show you exactly how to cut them restaurant style. Now, I've already given these a couple of good rinses with clean water and dried them off. Let's talk about cutting these wings properly. See this pointy end? We're just going to slice right through that joint and set it aside. You can save these tips for making chicken stock later. I'm holding the wing and feeling for the joint between the drumette. That's the meatier part that looks like a mini drumstick, and the flat, which is this two-bone section in the middle. There we go, one drumette and one flat. This is how every single restaurant and chicken wing joint does it. These pieces are the perfect size for coating, frying, and eating. Plus, they cook more evenly when they're separated like this. I'm going to continue with the rest of these wings. Just find that joint, press down, and boom. Okay, now that all my wings are cut into perfect pieces, I'm going to give them one more wash. Now we're getting into the flavor building phase, and this is where things start to get really exciting. I'm transferring all my dry wings into a nice clean bowl, and again, make absolutely sure there's no water in this bowl. Time to season these babies. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. This is for seasoning the meat itself, not just the coating. 1 teaspoon of black pepper for that nice kick. Half a teaspoon of paprika, which is going to give us beautiful color and a subtle sweetness. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. This adds so much depth of flavor. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, because we're making garlic parmesan wings after all, and we want that garlic flavor penetrating into the meat. Now, if you have the time, you can cover this bowl and let these wings marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes, or even a couple of hours. That extra time lets the seasoning really penetrate into the meat. But you know what? If you're hungry right now, or if you've got people coming over and you're short on time, don't worry about it. These are still going to be absolutely incredible. Just set them aside while we make the sauce. This sauce is a total game changer. Every single person who tries these wings asks me for this recipe. First, I'm taking 5 cloves of garlic. Now you can mince these by hand with a knife, but I like using my hand chopper because it gets them really fine and uniform. Just a few pulses and look at that perfectly chopped garlic. Set that aside. Now I'm heating up 1 cup of neutral cooking oil in a small pot. I'm using vegetable oil, but canola works great too. I'm waiting for the oil to get hot, not smoking hot, just warm. Add all your chopped garlic. Fry until golden brown, not dark. Burnt garlic is bitter, but golden garlic is sweet, nutty, and delicious. When the garlic is golden, strain it through a fine strainer. Put the crispy garlic in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Mix well. The sauce becomes creamy, tangy, sweet, and garlicky with crispy bits throughout. This is the sauce that makes people obsessed. Now we move to the coating phase, the professional technique restaurants use for extra crispy wings. Crack 1 egg and beat it. Add 120 milliliters of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, mix regular milk with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and let it sit. Whisk well. In the second bowl, add 3/4 cup cornstarch and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix until completely combined. This dry mix gives the wings their crisp texture. Now the crucial part, the double dredge, dry, wet, dry. Coat the wing fully in the dry mixture. Then dip it into the wet buttermilk mixture. Then back into the dry again. After the second coating, shake off the excess and press the mixture onto the wing. Those flaky, craggy pieces you see forming will fry up incredibly crispy. Continue coating all the wings. It takes a little time, but this step transforms the wings from good to extraordinary. Heat your oil to about 175 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a tiny bit of coating into the oil. If it sizzles and rises, it's ready. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry 4 or 5 wings at a time to avoid dropping the oil temperature. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes, moving them gently so they cook evenly. Look for a deep golden brown color. Continue until all wings are done. Now the best part. The wings are fried to crispy perfection. Arrange them on a serving plate. Take that incredible garlic sauce and drizzle it generously over the wings. Don't hold back. This sauce is what makes them legendary. Add lots of freshly grated Parmesan cheese so it melts slightly from the heat. Finish with chopped green onions or chives for freshness. Crispy, creamy, garlicky, cheesy, perfection on a plate. You've just made restaurant quality garlic parmesan wings at home. Crispy, juicy, and unforgettable. If you try this recipe, you won't go back to store-bought wings. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment with your results, and subscribe for more recipes every week. Enjoy them while they're hot.